Welcome to the AlphaTraveler1 subscriber giveaway. You have to be a subscriber to win, and it is open to every one of my subscribers. Alright everybody, welcome to the AlphaTraveler1 giveaway, and here are the prizes. There are 4 different prizes you could see here, and they are all really geared to Disney, and or I guess Universal for one of them. So the first prize you will see here is a Funko little toy with a little Nemo and a water bottle. This is a set. This is for, I guess, kids. So if you have kids, or even if you don't have kids, this is really cool to have. So this is prize number 1. Second one is what I guess Universal will call a hybrid. They wouldn't consider this a male or female. It's kind of weird. When I bought that, they said it's unisex. So this is a large. So it is, I think this is Bob. Loving the bananas as always the Minions do. And it's a really cool t-shirt. The third one, this is one of my prized favorites. This is actually what I would call a first run of the Star Destroyer. The reason why I would say this is the first run is because when the movie came out, this thing was actually sold out within 2 or 3 days, and it was not available for months on end. And when it came out, that was sold out, during which time this Star Destroyer went for about $80 on eBay. So this is the first run. The fourth prize rather, is diecast of cars. You have 3 really nicely pictured diecast here in a box. So this could be for kids, or if you win it, if you don't have kids, this is great to be on a shelf. So this is it. These are the prizes that we are vying for. So take a look at the instructions in this video, and you will have to read on how to actually bid for it, or for the giveaway. So good luck everybody. And
hey guys, this is time for a really cool shout out for some of my partner channels. These are really cool people, so when you get a chance, go see them. The first one is Theme Park Brews. They're some of the coolest people. They're the ones who got me back started on my channel to really understand, hey, it's time to get going. And the second folks are the Disney Vacation Family. They're just a cool family with great videos and wholeheartedly one of the best sites. Disney Dave, what can I say? Some of the best really cool videos, and that goes back to some really old Disney stuff. Geeked Out Getaway, some of the really cool people. They're just loving having fun, loving life. If you like that, take a look at them. Steph Stay Off, really cool peeps. They're always in the park, and she draws like there's nobody's business. And the Dreaming of Disneyland. They're really cool. They're focused on box openings. If you like that, like I do, go see them. And last but not least, Happiness and Sweet Tea. Some of the really cool videos, box opening, you know, really genuine person. So if you like genuine people, go there.
Okay, finally the instructions. You must be a subscriber. Your profile must be visible to me. Must answer questions, respond in the video, and like the video. And this is open to all my subs. This includes international. Hopefully this helps, and if you have any questions, reach out to me.